Right. Yeah, what I was saying before is there is another use for pipe sticking out the wall. I can hang my radio on it, and I'm not annoying anyone out there, the painters out there. So then I've got my music just by me, you know, down fairly low. Not annoying anyone, so it's all good to go. So what I'm doing here, after my second coat, I'll be putting the water stop across there. So I'll be starting with my full tile from here down and here back. So this is all the first coat. Beauty. When you do the second coat, it just catches the odd hole that you might have. This is my shower area, so I like to brush it in, not roll it. Outside's all right. I'll roll that. That's what I stepped in the other bathroom. That's how I rolled my ankle coming down off a bucket. I was taking the cornice down, which I'll do that tomorrow before I lay my tiles on the floor. I probably will lay a wall and then my floor, and then I don't lose time, because it's only sort of half a day to lay my floor. And I've got too much on to go home early. Which, going home early is nice too, sometimes. You make sure you rub it in. Little bit of a hole, so we'll brush that. I'm putting a little bit of pressure on my roller to press it in. Dee 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 dee. I take my hat off to the DIYers out there. Thank you for listening to my videos and learning a bit. I take my hat off to you because you're willing to give it a go. Which is good. You know, you might make the odd mistake. You're only human. A mistake can always be fixed. Okay, we're getting a bit squeezy here. I'll see you soon. Press that subscribe button, people. There's a lot to learn. Lean in on every video, because there is something you'll always learn. This is just the beginning.